And now let's take a look at what is making news in India at this hour. The Ministry of External Affairs is working to facilitate the return of Indian nationals from Iran who wish to travel back to India in the wake of the evolving situation in Iran. The Indian Embassy in Iran also issued a travel advisory urging all Indian citizens in Iran to register with the embassy. Amid the ongoing probe into Delhi blast case, a special NIA court allowed Dr. Shaheen Saeed Play to meet her lawyer while in NIA custody. Dr. Saeed was arrested in connection with the Delhi blast near the Red Fort on November 11th last year. She has been placed in NIA custody for an additional 3 days until Friday. All accused persons are to be produced before the court today. The Delhi government has stepped up its winter relief measures to protect homeless people from the severe cold. The number of night shelters have been increased near AIIMS, Safdarjung and GB Pant hospitals in New Delhi. The New Delhi Urban Shelter Improvement Board, along with the shelter management agencies, is working to rescue people sleeping in the open and relocating them to safe shelters, where free facilities such as beds, 3 meals a day, sanitation and drinking water are being provided. With days to go for the 77th Republic Day, full dress rehearsals have been underway at the Kartavya Path in New Delhi. The President of the European Council, Antonio Luis Santos Acosta, and the President of the European Commission, Ursula von der Leyen, will be chief guests at India's 77th Republic Day celebrations. According to a government release, the two leaders will be on a state visit to India from January 25th to 27th, 2026, at the invitation of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The traditional bull taming sport, which marks Pongal 2026 harvest festival season, is taking place in Madurai. Medical examinations for the bulls participating in the Jallikattu was conducted in wee hours today. Nearly 1,100 bulls and about 550 bull tamers have registered online to participate in the festival event, which is held for 3 days in Madurai.
ஒரு அண்டை ஒண்ணு ஒரு சம்பளம் ஒண்ணு நல்ல காலை நல்ல ஒருத்தர் பிடிச்ச தொந்தரவு பண்ணாதீங்க.